Hey guys, today we'll be making a video for arts and crafts, and we're gonna make a monster tissue box. So what we need is a tissue box, preferably not like this hole is just too big, maybe a smaller hole, but whatever you have at home. You need scissors. If you need a parent's help, please do let them know. Some decoration stuff. I got this from Paper Chase in Eldon. If you're around, they were 70% off. Also, I got these goggly eyes. These are too big, and I got small ones as well. This is from Poundland. And some gift wrap. And also some sellotape and glue. For this, please, if you're gonna use this glue, the liquid type of, please let your parents know and tell them to help you with this, because it's pretty flammable and dangerous. But if you're using the other one, the solid one, it should be fine. So let's start with this. So what we're gonna do, you can paint your tissue box if you'd like with acrylic paint, but I just thought gift wrapping was better. You have gift wrap for Christmas as well, extra, and it's just less trouble, I guess. Right, let's start. So what we're gonna do is just open this up. I choose this color just to be a bit Halloweeny because we're making a monster box, I guess. I think this should be enough. I feel like it's better to turn it around like so the hole will look in that, so it looks better on the front. We're just gonna cut a hole in the where the hole is so it can be the mouth. I'm gonna show you shortly in the next few steps, but I think it's better this way. Just gonna keep it like this so the hole is looking down. Okay, I think that's good. And then you take this and put it like this. So now what we're gonna do is remove the excess paper. What I'm gonna do is cut it down a bit. Now we're just gonna try to fold it nicely. I'll do the best that I can. You do the best that you can. Back again, phone died. So we wrap this as well then. Oh, we have to cut the excess paper first. At this point, the back should look like this, kind of, and the front like so. So what we can do now is cut an oval sized hole in where the hole of the tissue paper box was. So I'm just gonna try to do it with a pen or a pencil if you want, or you just can go ahead and start cutting the hole. Right. And then we're gonna cut the thing we drew on the paper box as a whole. So I don't know if you can see mine. do a little hole, and I put like I press the pen down so I can break the paper, and then I'm gonna use my scissors to cut a nice oval hole in the middle, which will be used as the monster's mouth. I did my best, I have to say. So now it's the easiest part. We just decorate. You can decorate however you want, um, but you want to have eyes and maybe some teeth. We're like we're gonna draw some teeth right now to see nice. So what you're gonna do is gonna grab a piece of paper and gonna like draw a little triangles on it, like so. Oh, you can't see. There you go. I mean, they could have been a bit bigger to be fair, but maybe that's the best I can. I'm gonna draw two of them for now. Actually, I'm gonna go for three. You have to make sure they look a bit alike because you don't want them to not be equal when you stick them to the mouth. So just to look nice basically, but if you don't make it, it's alright. So this is what I did. And I'm just gonna cut them down now. Three. So now I'm gonna glue them on the back of the paper because we want it to look nice, don't we? But you can glue them in the front if you like. And look at how cute this is. This is two. And then I'm gonna put one on the top so he has three teeth. This is how my monster looks like so far. Now what I'm gonna do is open these big eyes and put two of them. Maybe one, you can do one. You can have only one eye. This is the look of it so far. I mean, this looks pretty decent. If you want to go this far, it's absolutely fine because look at this beautiful creation. Oh, I think my eyes is falling. My eye is falling down. Yeah, give it some time to get the glue dry. Don't move it around as much as I am doing right now. So we're gonna use these as some hair. I'm gonna choose some different colors so it'll be more funny. But honestly, if you don't even do anything, it's fine. And here's your monster box. You can use any colors you like, any design you like, be creative. It's fun to do. So go ahead, guys. It's a pretty Halloween decoration. But also you can just have it around because it's nice and it's cute.